on, guys? I got a few things in the lab right now, but what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna demonstrate how I do the lace pattern. So I actually have a skateboard that I was working on yesterday. I got it masked up. So go ahead and grab it, and I'm gonna show you how I do lace pattern. I have the board right here. I did use that masking film to cover up the main pattern, and I used tape and paper. This is the lace that I'm gonna use right here. I picked this up at Walmart. You can buy it per yard. It's relatively cheap. This is just, I wish I would have found a different pattern. There's different versions of this, but this is the only version they had at my local Walmart. So I'm gonna go with this one. But basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray some spray adhesive on the back of this, and I'm gonna immediately stick it on, stretch it out as nice as I can. That'll help keep the lines nice and clean, and I'm gonna do it on both sides because of the way the design is. So I picked up some spray adhesive this morning. Let me go grab it real quick. Just Craft Bond, you can just pick it up. Like I said, I think it might be even cheaper at Hobby Lobby than Walmart, or vice versa. This is temporary, so it's not going to stick permanently if you don't want it to. But now the lace is nice and flat and as tight as possible to the board. So I'm going to go ahead and mix up some paint. I'm going to do candy on this, but first I'm going to use black just to do the pattern itself. I'm going to use black to get the design I want. And then later on I actually throw candy over that. So I'm going to go ahead and mix up some black. I'm just going to use some Createx airbrush waterboard paint. You can use solvent base, you can use waterborne, it's up to you. This is what I use. This is what the spray adhesive is for, is so it can get the lace as close to the board as possible so you have a nice, clean, crisp pattern. So I'm gonna go ahead and come in here and just start putting this over. What I'm gonna do next is after that dries a little bit more, I'm gonna mix up some candy. And I'm gonna spray candy over that area and then work my way from there. But that's basically how I do my lace pattern design. Pretty easy. All you need, like I said, is lace pattern, some fabric adhesive, and any airbrush paint of your choice. From here, I'm just gonna build out the design on this skateboard, and I'm gonna bring you along the whole process, but right now, this is just the fabric portion of it. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys tune in, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, that's gonna wrap it up, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider hitting that like button for me. Drop a comment down below if you liked the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, I consider subscribing. Please do so. Share this video with your friends. Drop a comment down below. I'm glad y'all enjoyed it. I'm glad y'all tuned into the very end, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Later.